Welcome back to my channel. I have had a few people ask me to recreate this look and give a in-depth tutorial. Just had someone comment on my reel, so here you go, besties. Here is the tutorial for the Florence Pugh Don't Worry Darling half up, half down look. So I'm not gonna give you a tutorial on how I curled my hair. This is basically whatever you want to do with your hair. You can do this look straight, you can do it really curled, you can do it softer like hers. I basically just curled mine with a 1 1/4 inch curling iron. So for those of you that don't know, usually 1 inch is standard. It's a little bit smaller. 1 1/4 is a little bit bigger, and 1 1/2 is really big. I don't usually recommend 1 1/2 because it doesn't curl your hair as well as the 1 1/4 will. The more times your hair is wrapped around the iron, the more of a curl you're gonna get. So the bigger the iron, the less hair that's going to wrap around the iron, hence getting less of a curl. But you could do even like a blowout look with this. Hers was just really soft, but I like the 1 1/4 because it gets really soft by the end of the day but has a little bit more to it. As you can see, I also have the bangs kind of going on like hers. So basically I just used the blow dryer for these and just really kind of went straight and a little bit over. You can use a straightener, you can use a curler, kind of whatever you want to do, but I'm going to show you the styling portion of this. So to start, let's spray our hair down with some hairspray. This is the Davines medium hairspray. I really like this because it's lighter weight and really buildable, so it's not going to be super heavy or tacky or sticky or anything like that. It's basically a good working spray. So what I like to do is kind of part my hair and really get the hairspray underneath. You can see I already have some volume just from doing that. Let's just grab the top and spray like that as well. And then like, we're gonna really tease for this look because she really had her hair teased up. So what we want to do is have our part where we're gonna part it, and then literally just grab that hair after our bangs where they're parted and just start teasing. So let's go for it. So the thing about teasing your hair that is really gonna help is you don't want to just take a brush and go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. You want to really do it with intention and take your hair and drag it down. I like to think of 3 big teases. Obviously, don't go as hard, but to get the idea, you know, just think of 3 teases, 3 strokes, if you will. So take it down, down, down. You can also spray hairspray again if it's like a working spray, that'll really help. Take the next section from that. We're going all the way back to the back of our head. So the next section, you can spray a little if you will. Take your comb, tease down, down, down. One more section. Down, down, down. And the last one, I am gonna spray this a little bit just because I feel like there's no hairspray back there. And we're gonna go down, down, down. And then, you know, we'll just have a cousin it moment. And then you can flip your hair over. Ba-boom. So also what I like to do is tease the sides, but I'm not gonna do that yet. I'm really just gonna focus on this top so far. Spray that, and then with your brush, this is a bristle brush. I'll link it down below. I got this off of Amazon. It's the Maryland brand. That's my favorite brand for bristle brushes, but you're just lightly gonna brush that back. We don't want to really have any holes or anything like that, so spray your hair and then brush it back. So she had a few different looks for this half up, half down. I have a freaking hair stuck on my lip. Kind of like an updo-y twist in the back and then like a bow. So I'm not gonna do the updo-y twist, but I'll show you how you can do it. But basically what I like to do is just grab that rat's nest that we just made and just kind of give it a nice push up, you know? Take a bobby pin, and what we're gonna do, it's not gonna be pretty, we're just gonna stick it in, okay? we're gonna grab another bobby pin and do the same. It doesn't matter what color because we're kind of gonna hide this, but just kind of grab that up and push that in. So you basically need a line with your bobby pins just to secure this up. We can go ahead and spray it a little bit more so it stays. Again, just try to kind of pull and pinch any little holes that we have, but there you go. Like, you can also get it as high as you want. I mean, hers was pretty high in the movie. She really was going for it. Then we're gonna do the size, and this is what you can play around with your hair. Personally, I do have some, you know, longer layers like she did, so it kind of works. And this is probably what I'm gonna grab. She had a little bit of her ears showing, but I don't like my ears showing, so we're gonna leave it down. But I feel like that's like a good amount, kind of look like hers. And as you can see, my front is kind of straight, not really super curled since I used the bigger iron, which was kind of how hers was, but you could also curl it, you know, kind of to flip it up, whatever floats your boat. But basically we're gonna grab this whole section that we're gonna put up, we're gonna spray it, and then we're gonna tease that also. So really just get it in there. It's okay if it looks a little rat nesty because we're gonna brush that. And also hers was just very disheveled like the whole movie, so you know, just go ham and really tease it up. So I'm gonna pull this piece over and try to cover what I made, and then I'm gonna take a bobby pin, and over on the side I'm just gonna bobby pin that down. I don't really care too much how it looks in the back because I'm probably gonna put a bow on this or show you how you can kind of hide it with a little twist. So as you can see, she's looking cute. We're gonna spray it down a little bit, kind of smooth this out. Again, I want mine a little more disheveled and messy because she was looking messy in the movie, which I love. So then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. We're just gonna grab kind of this front piece, just pull hair down, whatever, just kind of customize it to your face, and then we're gonna tease it. Hairspray will be your best friend for this look because it will give you hold, but again, just use a lighter to medium hairspray for this. Don't use anything like super hard, just something soft. Again, I like the Davines. It's pricey, but it works really good. And then we're gonna kind of pull it to where you think you want it and just kind of lightly brush that. And then we're gonna do the same thing that we did. We're just gonna pull it to the opposite side, and then we're gonna stick a bobby pin in it. These are the bobby pins I use. You can literally buy them off of Amazon, but I get mine at Sally's because they're a little bit more professional and they work pretty good. So also what I like to do is just kind of get the tip of that and twist it over. And then your back is looking like this. Hopefully it's looking good. I'm not sure. Let me see if I can. Yeah, like it's not too bad back there. Okay, like kind of good. So like I said, she had some different looks in this movie, and like this piece is kind of, I probably could straighten this to smooth it out, but it's not bad. It's pretty cute. Wow, like that's so easy and cute. I feel like you can wear this during the day or really fluff it up to wear it at night. She did have a bow at some points in the movie, so what you can do is just quite literally just pin that in there really good and have like a cute little bow showing. Or if we want more of a twist that she had, it's really easy. All you need to do, grab a bobby pin, okay, grab these ends that we had and just kind of a little bit more hair on the bottom, and then just quite literally just make like a little twist. And pin that out. So that gives it just a little bit of a messier, twisted look. You could also add, you know, the bow on top of that. There is tons of bows and different things from Amazon. I did get this one from j.ing.com, but like super cute and just really easy. So if you need some help with your curtain bangs, also you can grab a flat iron and just kind of lightly pull and twist the flat iron in that kind of motion to get your curtain bangs just to kind of like go a little bit more to the side. You can also kind of put some fringe in the middle, like super cute. And then obviously the final step in this is just to spray that down with some hairspray. But that's it, super easy. I hope this was helpful for you. If so, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe to my channel while you're at it. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.